So some of the benefits of building with steel include speed of manufacturing, precise build, as well as a savings on your insurance costs because it is an inorganic, non-combustible material. Steel is actually very environmentally friendly. Steel can be recycled forever and not lose its structural integrity. Steel is the most recycled product in the world, making it truly sustainable. When this building reaches the end of its life cycle, it will be recycled for other buildings. In most cases, steel will not increase your project costs. The reduced labor time on site, as well as the insurance premium savings, typically balance out the cost. Cold form steel is changing the way homes are built. Our residential framing systems are lightweight, non-combustible, and pre-engineered for rapid installation, helping you get to lock up faster with minimal material waste.